Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Ma Tutorial. Today, we are beginning with a new letter with its 50 basic words. S. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Sad, Dukhi. She felt sad after hearing the bad news. Safe, Surakshit. The child is safe at home. Sail, Naukayan karna. We will sail across the ocean. Salt, Namak. Add some salt to the soup. Same, Wahi. She wore the same dress. Spring, Vasant. Flowers bloom beautifully in spring. Say, Kehna. She said she will come tomorrow. Scar, Dag. The accident left a scar on his face. Scene, Drishya. The crime scene was investigated by the police. School, Vidyalay. She goes to school every day. Score, Ank. He scored the highest marks in the test. Seat. Please take a seat. Sell, Bechna. He sells fruits in the market. Send, Bhejna. She sent me a letter. Sense, Bhavana. He has a strong sense of responsibility. Speak, Bolna. She speaks three languages fluently. Shape, Akar. The table has a round shape. Share, Sajha Karna. She shared her lunch with her friend. Sharp, Tez. Be careful, this knife is very sharp. Start, Shuru Karna. We will start the meeting at 10 a.m. Shine, Chamakna. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Ship, Jahaj. The ship sailed across the ocean. Sport, Khel. Cricket is my favorite sport. Stop, Rokna. Please stop making noise. Short, Chota. He wore a short story. He wrote a short story. Show, Dikhana. He showed me his new phone. Shut, Band Karna. Please shut the door before leaving. Side, Paksh. He stood by my side. Sight, Drishti. The sight of the sunset was beautiful. Simple, Saral. The instructions were very simple. Sing, Gana. She loves to sing in the choir. Store, Dukan. I bought fruits from the store. Sit, Betna. Please sit down and relax. Store, Dukan. I bought fruits from the store. Skate, skating karna. He loves to skate on the ice. Skin, Twacha. Her skin is very smooth. Sky, Akash. The sky was full of stars. Sleep, Sona. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. Small, Chota. She has a small bag. Smart, Chatur. He is a very smart student. Smile, Muskurana. She smiled at the baby. Star, Tara. The sky is full of shining stars. Snow, Barf. The mountains were covered with snow. Soft, Mulayam. The pillow is very soft. Some, Kuch. I need some sugar for my tea. Song, Geet. She sang a beautiful song. Soon, Shigr. We will leave soon. Sound, Dhwani. I heard a strange sound at night. Soup. I love hot soup in winter. Space. Sthan. There is not enough space in the car. And that's that for this one. I shall see you in the next.